There you are, you guitar making fool.
You took everything I had, you tore it all apart. But baby, don't you touch my scarred guitar.
What's going on, guys? My name's Sean, and if you landed here, you're watching Scar My Guitar. Alright, so here we are again with another guitar build, but today's gonna be just a little bit different. We're gonna build two guitars in this video. We're gonna build an acoustic and a Stratocaster. Now hang on just a dang minute. Let's get something straight off the rip. My intentions here are not to make a guitar exactly like Fender. Yeah, I'm trying to make mine a little different. Now I don't know if it's gonna be better. You can judge that in the comments in the end. But as far as the acoustic goes, we're gonna do something completely different than we've normally been doing. Number one thing we're gonna do differently, we're gonna make this bad boy a jumbo, but that's gonna be enough flip-flapping. Let's make it happen. Now for the Strat style guitar, we're gonna do this killer bird's eye maple top with little purple heartwood strips down it. So we're gonna stain it purple and make it pink in the middle. It's for a couple little girls. I've already taken the liberty of making this neck here. We still got to shape it. Man, that's some killer wood, ain't it? Look at that bird's eye, dude. The back's going to be cherry. But that's not going to glue itself together. Let's get to it. Now, I bet you're wondering what happened here. I'll explain that later. Yeah, I'm thinking that's going to be pretty awesome. But the reason I wasn't worried about the little overlap here where I had the CNC set wrong to begin with is because I needed to plane the body down to the proper thickness. And it was going to take about a 0.2 off the top anyway. So there you go. Let's do the side dots. That's going to be enough with the Strat for a minute. Let's work on this acoustic for a second. Now this isn't going to be part of the acoustic, but I've got this up here to compare something. You see how the walnut gets a little bit lighter here on the edge? It's because the wood is really aged. It turns blonde. Well, my friend called me and told me there was some 200-year-old walnut from some rafters from an old church. Guess what? I ran down there and scooped them guys up. Now we're going to put something in the middle. I don't know what it's going to be. Give it some racy, sporty look. gonna be something. But look at that. Yeah, we could do that right there. It looks pretty good to me. Now for the fretboard on the acoustic, we're gonna use this Wingate right here. Let's cut some block inlays out in it. Now for the blocks themselves, I found this little piece of scrap quilt maple. And that helps keep the cost down. You know what I'm saying? You use scraps, sure does. Had a little mishap there. I had to cut an extra one. Yeah, that acoustic body's sounding pretty good, but for this Strat now, this guy's looking sick. Like I said, I don't know if it's going to be better than a Fender. It definitely looks cool. I always put that little lip over there. I've always hated the way the neck hangs over the edge on the Fender guitars. This bad boy's getting a Floyd Rose. I bet you're wondering what's under the hood, huh? Yeah, let's take a look under the hood real quick. We got hand wound everything. You got your staggered pole pieces going on. Alnico 5 magnets. Cloth wiring, wax coated. Super orange drops, CTS pots. Looking good under the hood. Yeah, I want to hear it just as bad as you do. I don't even have all the bolts in the pick guard yet, but let's jam this guy. I'm loving this thing. The acoustic's coming up next. We're gonna jam both of these guys together. I gotta give a big thanks to all the guys that bought the guitar kits too, man. Appreciate it, fellas. Let's get this beauty hanging up, because I want to show you something real quick. Now here's what I want to show you. Check it out. This is called a Stratocaster. It's a little bit telly, a little bit Strat, a little bit Les Paul. That's a 25.5 inch scale on that guy. Flame maple neck. Moon ebony, white and black ebony, whatever you want to call it. 5A quilt maple top. Super quilt maple top. Ash back with a Purdue strip in it. This next round of guitar kits is going to be something serious. Look at this Polycaster. Now it's got regular old Les Paul controls. One piece basswood back. 5A quilt maple front. Same thing. It's going to have a 25.5 inch scale neck. This one will too, 25.5 inch scale neck. That's an ash top with a Purdue strip. Yeah, that guy's pretty nice. It's got a walnut back too. Still got some shaping up to go on this stuff. It'll be ready for the next video. Wow, last but not least. Look at that thing. Ash back. That's a maple front. Purdue middle. But yeah. Tune in to the next video. These guys here will be going up on eBay as kits again. And I appreciate you watching. But until next time, don't you touch my Scar guitar kit.